Marketing is about to change forever. And if your business isn't ready, then you're going to be left behind. Big budget ads, celebrity endorsements.
Forget all that.
The future of marketing is personal. Literally. With personal brands on the rise, companies are about to face a major shift in how they stay competitive. It's not just about the perfect product anymore. It's about the people behind it. Well, and the companies that don't see this coming, they're about to have a blockbuster moment. Think about it. Duolingo's TikTok account turned their social media manager into an internet personality. Employees at tech companies go viral on LinkedIn now. Intentionally, unintentionally, marketing the place that they work. Whether businesses like it or not, personal brands are becoming a powerful force. And they're either going to be an asset in your business or a threat. Now imagine if every employee at a major company like Target or Walmart had their own personal brand online. Not just the CEO, but the cashiers and the stalkers and the managers, all showing their work experience.
Sure, some posts might be a little unexpected.
I mean, if I had done this when I was a bartender, I definitely would have been roasting people. But here's the thing, even that brings brand awareness. It's free marketing on a massive scale and it's authentic. Instead of spending millions on ads, businesses could have employees naturally putting their brand out there, just talking about their day-to-day lives. And what does this really mean for brand awareness? Because it's about staying top of mind. If thousands of employees are constantly posting about Target, then guess what? The next time somebody needs a pair of socks or a last minute gift, Target's the first place that they're going to think of. And here's why this is so powerful, because people don't trust faceless corporations as much as they trust real people. Customers are more likely to connect with an employee than with a business logo.
Sure, your colors may be on point, but
they don't care. And the businesses that figure this out first are going to dominate. Now, I predict in the future that businesses will pay their employees not just to work, but to post. If those posts generate more value than the employee's hourly wage, then the math is simple. They're going to pay for themselves. I mean, if I had done this when I was in tech consulting, the business wouldn't have needed any ads because I would have just been posting about the problems I was solving on a daily basis. And over time, I would have attracted clients just by simply showing them what I'm capable of doing and the problems that I'm capable of solving. And that's the future of marketing. No hard sell, just authenticity, visibility, and consistency, because that's what makes people feel comfortable when spending their hard-earned money with you.
You're being really sus. Just thought I would let you know.
And the fact is, the shift isn't coming, it's already here. Companies that embrace it are going to thrive, and the ones that don't, well, they're about to be the next blockbuster. How do you stay ahead of the curve? That's exactly what we're going to break down in the full mastery outline of the business pivot principle. One problem, one solution in just 1 hour, because I know you're busy, and I want to make sure that this is immediately actionable.
And no, I'm not going to tell you to replace all your employees with AI robots.
Although I am going to show you one that's scarily realistic. But let's strategize about how you can win in the future of marketing so that you don't just survive this shift, you own it. I'll see you there.